Thanks for joining me here today. One of the things I wanted to talk about, if you feel very drained in life and unhappy, not fulfilled, that means you are spending too much of your time focused on the external rather than focusing on your internal. If you don't look within and do the work on yourself, you can't do anything for anyone. If you don't find people that have similar morals and values as you, you will find people that end up using you because they are only looking for how other people can benefit them, where friendships are normally mutualistic, not parasitic. And a lot of people in life, unfortunately, are parasitic. As fake as money is, it is still real to our society to the point where we have to work every day to get it, so we can live and provide for our family. No matter what you do, it's always work. It's a perspective switch. That's why they always say find something that you do that you love, because if you do something you love, you never work a day in your life, because it's the switching of perspectives of it's no longer work because I enjoy it. But everyone has to work regardless of what you do. You still have to work to make money on this planet. That is the system that we live in, that we have to abide by. And if you don't abide by that, guys, what happens? Nothing necessarily happens, but you don't have money to pay your bills. You don't have money to feed yourself. You don't have money to exist. It is simply impossible to just exist on the planet anymore. Is that a fucking alligator? Bro, I can't tell if that's a stick or an alligator. Are there gators in Tennessee? Hold on, guys. Hey, mother, I have a question. Are there alligators in Tennessee?
I don't see why there wouldn't be.
Okay, well, I'm going to vacate those premises then. Unfortunately, now I must go. I hope those people on the four-wheeler don't come over here and yell at me. I'm sorry. There's no need to get mad. There's so much information in life to assess, and we spend so much time on social media and on our phones and external things to distract us from the internal horrors. You know, no one is immune to escapism. Everyone does it. Look at this place though. But look, at the end of the day, even though people want to bring out the worst in us, we don't let them. We don't need to give people the unnecessary power they don't deserve. That's for us to have, and for us to dictate who and what we do with that. At the end of the day, we are what control our realities. Nothing else, no one else. That's why SpongeBob said the power within. The power within. Look what's happening. I'm finna dip out. Dude geeking, or the theme is. I don't know what the hell happening. I guess I'll set that there for now. Bro, if y'all would wait 10 seconds to let me move. Bro, what are you doing? Where the fuck do you think you're going? Brother. Bro, I'm beyond confused right now. What in the hell is this guy doing? Brother, why didn't he pull in there? Or there? Well, that tree is wrapped around an electrical wire, so I'm not gonna fucking touch that. And I don't know where I'm going. I'm new here, bitch. All I know is that there's a little divot up here and I'm gonna sit in that. Someone hooning up. There's a racetrack, that's what we're hearing. We're going right now. It says I'm here. Crikey. Alright, go. I passed it. Fuck. Isn't that crazy how things work? I wanted something to do today. I don't know if I'm at the right area. Bro, there's a lot of cool ass cars here though. Look at this. 242 or 241 and 240 number 2. Hell yeah. This is kind of fun. Granted, I'm by myself, but it's still fun. Oh my god, bro. and it died.
Oh,
That's it. One. What an interesting day. What the fuck? Hey, look at that M3. Ooh. Well, hello everyone. If you've made it this far to the video, thank you so much for watching. Really means a lot. Bit of a longer video than the usual stuff that I upload. Here we are. If you like this video, make sure to like and comment what other suggestions on what areas I should go to and explore next. Because that was just so random. I was literally in nature and then cars. So that's how that happened. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and follow. I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Much love.